best GPS tracker anti-theft devices protect valuables, enable real-time tracking, prevent theft, and provide peace of mind efficiently. My today's video is about top 5 best GPS tracker anti-theft devices that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Landair C54 GPS Tracker. The Landair C54 GPS Tracker is a premium anti-theft device designed for precision and reliability. It offers accurate global tracking, real-time alerts, and customizable geofencing, making it ideal for vehicles, ATVs, golf carts, or other valuable assets. Using the SilverCloud app or web-based software, users can track movements in real time, with updates as frequent as every 3 seconds and historical playback for up to a year. Its motion-activated functionality preserves battery life by sleeping when idle, while the ultra-compact design with a strong internal magnet ensures discreet placement. Backed by a lifetime warranty from Landair C, a trusted USA-based GPS pioneer, it promises durability and peace of mind. Subscription plans are flexible and affordable, starting at $9.95 per month for prepaid 2-year options, with no contracts or hidden fees. Overall, the Landair C54 combines cutting-edge technology, convenience, and security, making it an essential tool for protecting and monitoring valuable assets efficiently. Now our second product is Trackimo GPS Tracker for vehicles. The Trackimo GPS Tracker is a compact and virtually undetectable vehicle tracking device, engineered for seamless security. Its small size and powerful magnet allow discreet placement under a car or on any metal surface, with included screw mounts and double-sided tape for versatile installation. Users can monitor their vehicle in real time through the app, browser, or via Android and iOS devices, receiving instant alerts for speed, movement, geofence breaches, or low battery. The tracker's long-lasting battery supports up to 7 months per charge, or 200 days in battery-save mode, making it ideal for extended use. Its rugged, waterproof design ensures durability, while advanced connectivity supports GPS, GLONASS, BDS, LTE Cat4 and Cat1, and Wi-Fi, providing coverage in over 180 countries, including indoor environments. Setup is straightforward, and the package includes mounts, straps, and harness slots. Backed by a lifetime warranty, the Trackimo combines stealth, reliability, and global tracking capabilities, making it a top choice for anyone seeking a hidden car tracker or rastriter GPS para carros. Our third product is Faceoff's Mini GPS Tracker for vehicles. The real-time GPS vehicle tracker is a compact, powerful, and user-friendly solution for vehicle security. Delivering precise location updates directly to your smartphone, it allows you to monitor your car anywhere, anytime, providing unmatched peace of mind. Setup is effortless. Simply insert a valid SIM card, not included, place the tracker in your vehicle, and start real-time monitoring via the intuitive app. Users can customize update intervals from 30 seconds to 10 minutes, tailoring tracking to their needs. Its ultra-compact design, measuring just 1.1 by 1.1 by 0.53 inches and weighing only 0.35 ounces, ensures discreet placement and portability, while global GSM compatibility supports reliable operation both domestically and internationally. Advanced anti-theft features, including vibration alerts, sound monitoring, and electronic fence notifications, enhance security and protect valuable assets. With no monthly fees required, this hidden car tracker provides an affordable, subscription-free solution, combining stealth, precision, and convenience for anyone seeking reliable vehicle tracking and protection. Now number 4, Bouncy GPS Tracker for vehicles. The real-time OBD GPS Tracker for vehicles is a comprehensive solution for personal and fleet monitoring. Providing up-to-the-minute location updates, it allows users to track vehicles in real time and access unlimited trip history with detailed route mapping. Beyond basic tracking, this device delivers valuable driving insights, monitoring speed, acceleration, hard braking, and idle time, helping improve road safety for families or fleets. Unique among vehicle trackers, it continuously monitors engine diagnostics, alerting users to potential maintenance issues to prevent costly downtime. Advanced features include geofencing, which notifies you when a vehicle enters or exits designated zones, and accident detection, instantly sending SMS alerts in case of impact. Installation is simple via any OBD2 port, compatible with most vehicles from 1996 onwards. The tracker requires a low $9.65 monthly subscription with no hidden activation or return fees, and cancellation is hassle-free. Combining real-time tracking, vehicle health monitoring, and safety alerts, this GPS tracker offers a reliable, all-in-one solution for secure and efficient vehicle management. And our last choice is Yalt Super Magnetic. 360 days. The Apple-compatible magnetic tracker is a compact, reliable, and subscription-free GPS tracking device designed for seamless, everyday use. Leveraging the global iOS Find My network, it provides real-time tracking across hundreds of millions of devices without monthly fees, making it ideal for vehicles, luggage, pets, and more. Its professional magnetic suction and IP67 rated waterproof, dust-proof design allows secure placement on cars or metal surfaces, resisting extreme conditions like bumpy roads or heavy rain. The 3M adhesive and 360 degrees rotating magnet ensure firm, trace-free installation, with effortless removal. Powered by a CR2032 coin cell battery and an ultra-low power chip, it delivers up to 1 year of battery life, with quick 10-second replacement and no tools required. Tiny and discreet, just 30 by 7 mm and under 20 G, it can be hidden in wallets, luggage pockets, or pet collars. Backed by 365-day direct replacement and responsive 7x 12-hour customer support, this tracker combines longevity, stealth, and reliable connectivity for total peace of mind. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.